The moment a child is born, the mother is also born. She never existed before. The woman existed, but the mother never. A mother is something absolutely new, and she is undeniably a miracle in human form. Mother is amazing. Mother is loving. Mother is happiness. Mother is consolation. Mother is selfless. Mother is graceful. So we say the name Mom is a title just above Queen. A woman may be the best creation of God, but a mother is always better than the best, and when it comes to my mother, she is the bestest among all. The three most beautiful women in the world to me. First is my mother, second her shadow, and third her image on the mirror, who ran to help me when I fell, and would a pretty story tell or kiss the place to make it well. She is my mother. Mothers are like glue. Even when you cannot see them, they are still holding the family together. Mother is a woman who goes to the store for herself, but comes out with bags full of things for her kids. She is a woman who does the work of 20 for free. My dear mother, may every tear that has ever fallen from your tired eyes on my behalf become a river of paradise for you on this occasion of International Mother's Day. It is true, my paradise always lies at your feet. Motherhood is the greatest thing and also the hardest thing, and you have made it happen.